Since 1952, Whelen has been known for our commitment to innovation, quality, consistency, and excellence. To ensure every product that leaves our facility meets these values, we like to take a pretty hands-on approach, and it takes many hands working together to design, manufacture, assemble, package, and ship the products that have made us trusted industry leaders for over 70 years. Products like the Edge 9000 strobe bar that hit the scene back in 1983 and soon became a fan favorite due to its sleek profile and unmatched warning light dispersion. Known and loved as the industry's most powerful light bar, the Edge 9000 was a perfect representation of Whelen innovation in the 80s and a major inspiration for one of our newest additions to the Whelen collection of light bars, the Edge 9X. With its slim profile and black polycarbonate cover, the Edge 9X is a throwback to one of our favorites from the past, but it's been expertly engineered to meet the needs of today's law enforcement agencies. Designed for durability, competitively priced, and highly configurable for a wide range of applications, the Edge 9X is certain to make its mark as a new industry favorite. As with all our products, every component of this light bar is manufactured in our facilities right here in America. Let's get a closer look at some of the important processes that help us ensure the highest quality from start to finish in our Edge 9X light bar. Several pieces of the Edge 9X go through the process of injection molding, which involves the transformation of raw plastic or silicone material into custom shapes. The molds must first be cleaned, polished, and set up in the machine before an operator can process the molding material. The ability to mold our own pieces is vital to what we do here at Whelen, as it allows us to work efficiently and maintain the highest standards. We have no need for pre-made pieces from overseas. We manufacture everything we need right here in America. After the Edge 9X lenses are put through the plastic injection molding process, they aren't quite ready for assembly. They still need to go through our innovative and industry-first hard coating process for added durability and increased resistance to sand, salt, sun, and road chemicals. UV-resistant polycarbonate lenses are placed onto custom fixtures in the loading area, where they are cleaned to remove debris and sprayed to remove static charge. Our 6-axis robot then uses an atomizing spray gun to apply the hard coat in a clean stainless steel chamber that is completely free from contaminants. The hard coating is infused into the lensing through infrared heating and solidified by a 20 high-intensity UV lamps. Once this step is completed, the thickness of the hard coat is measured by a spectrometer and the lenses are carefully inspected before being sorted. This process increases the visual life of the light bar by up to 10 years. Another key step in the process of creating our Edge 9X light bar is metallizing, which we use to create our reflectors. A molded polycarbonate piece is picked up from the conveyor belt and placed into a series of fixtures by a pair of robots moving it down the line. A third robot picks up a fully populated fixture and places it into a vacuum metallizing machine, where a powdered aluminum reflective coating is applied to the plastic parts. Once completed, the newly coated pieces are removed from the machine by a robot and examined by qualified inspectors before being transferred to the warehouse to await assembly. Every Edge 9X contains a printed circuit board that serves as the brain of the light bar, allowing it to communicate with the vehicle's command system. A team of 6 people is needed to create these boards, which start out on panels that are first loaded into an automated line and screen printed with solder paste. After a thorough inspection, panels move to a machine where individual components are placed on each board before receiving yet another inspection and traveling into a reflow oven. As the panels are gradually heated within the reflow oven, the solder paste is liquefied, allowing any impurities to be cleaned away. By the time the panels leave the oven, the solder paste has solidified and is ready for another test and inspection. Next, wire harnesses are plugged into each board before they travel through another machine where the wires are soldered to the boards. They are then sprayed with moisture-resistant conformal coating and cured by UV light. Finally, the boards are inspected one last time before they are separated from their panels and sorted into trays, ready to be picked up for assembly. Whelen Lightbars like the Edge 9X feature an extruded aluminum base, and as you can imagine, when working with heavy-duty sheet metal, we need some heavy-duty machinery for this task. Enter our laser cutter that allows us to customize raw materials to meet the specs of any product we make. This process starts with our programming office, which loads the job into the system so it can be called up by the laser operator. When the 9X is requested, the raw material is pulled from the storage tower and loaded into the machine, where a laser follows the program it's been assigned and cuts the required shape. Once the piece is complete, it's inspected and sent off to be deburred, grained, stamped, and bent before it's ready for one final inspection and assembly on the Edge 9X. Just one last stop for the Edge 9X before it's ready to be packed and shipped to agencies all over the world. Final assembly. Completed components that have passed inspections make their way to the line, where they are assembled with care by our amazing production crew, ensuring that each finished product is guaranteed to represent the same reliability and excellence that Whelen is known and loved for. And there you have it, a glimpse at just a few of the innovative processes that allow us to transform raw material into pieces of life-saving equipment. These vertical integration capabilities allow us to ensure that our Edge 9X light bars and all of our products are expertly manufactured, meticulously inspected, and rigorously tested by the hands of our dedicated employees, so that when they make their way to your vehicle, you know you can trust them to outlast and outperform anything else you'll find on the market today. Whelen, manufactured in America for over 70 years.